Welcome to our exploration of the wonders of Tuscany. Nestled in the heart of Italy, Tuscany is a region renowned for its breathtaking landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture. Picture rolling hills adorned with vineyards, olive groves, and charming medieval towns that seem to have sprung straight from a storybook. From the iconic cypress trees lining the roads to the stunning sunsets that paint the sky in hues of orange and pink, Tuscany offers a visual feast that captivates every traveler. But Tuscany is not just about its picturesque scenery, it's also a treasure trove of cultural heritage. This region is home to some of the world's most celebrated art, architecture, and culinary delights. Imagine wandering through the cobblestone streets of Florence, where masterpieces by Michelangelo and Botticelli await, or savoring a glass of Chianti in a rustic vineyard while soaking in the serene countryside. In this video, we'll take you on a journey to uncover the most amazing spots in Tuscany, from the bustling markets of Siena to the tranquil beauty of the Val d'Orcia. So, buckle up and get ready to discover the wonders that make Tuscany a must-visit destination for anyone seeking beauty, history, and unforgettable experiences. Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance. Florence, often hailed as the cradle of the Renaissance, is a city that pulsates with artistic and historical significance. As you stroll through its enchanting streets, you'll find yourself surrounded by masterpieces that have shaped the course of art and culture. One of the must-visit attractions is the Uffizi Gallery, home to an unparalleled collection of Renaissance art, featuring works by legends like Botticelli, Michelangelo, and Leonardo da Vinci. Each painting tells a story, inviting you to delve deeper into the artistic genius that flourished here. Another iconic landmark is the Florence Cathedral, or the Duomo, with its stunning dome designed by Brunelleschi. This architectural marvel not only dominates the skyline but also symbolizes the innovative spirit of the Renaissance. As you gaze up at its intricate facade, you can't help but appreciate the craftsmanship that went into its creation. But a visit to Florence isn't complete without indulging in its local cuisine. Savor traditional dishes like ribollita and papa al pomodoro, or treat yourself to a gelato as you explore the vibrant piazzas. Engaging with the local culture, whether through a cooking class or a guided art tour, enhances your experience, making Florence a truly unforgettable destination steeped in history and creativity. Siena, a medieval masterpiece. Siena is a city that transports you back in time, showcasing the charm and history of the medieval era. At the heart of this enchanting city lies the famous Piazza del Campo, a shell-shaped square that serves as a gathering place for locals and visitors alike. This vibrant piazza is not only a stunning architectural feat but also the site of the Palio di Siena, a thrilling horse race that takes place twice a year. The Palio is steeped in tradition and rivalry, with different neighborhoods, or contrade, competing for glory. The excitement and passion surrounding this event highlight the deep cultural significance it holds for the people of Siena. As you wander through the narrow, winding streets, you'll be captivated by the stunning Gothic architecture that defines the city. The magnificent Siena Cathedral, with its intricate facade and breathtaking interior, is a prime example of this architectural style. The use of black and white marble creates a striking visual contrast that draws visitors in, while the stunning artwork within tells stories of faith and history. Siena's charm lies not only in its historical landmarks but also in its ability to immerse you in a rich tapestry of culture, tradition, and artistry that has endured for centuries. Pisa, home of the Leaning Tower. Pisa is a city that captivates visitors with its unique charm and rich history, most famously known for its architectural marvel, the Leaning Tower. This iconic structure, originally designed as a freestanding bell tower for the adjacent cathedral, began to lean during its construction in the 12th century due to unstable foundation soil. Today, it stands as a testament to human ingenuity and resilience, drawing millions of tourists eager to capture that perfect photo while playfully pretending to hold it up. But the Leaning Tower is just one highlight in the stunning Piazza dei Miracoli, or Square of Miracles. Here, you'll also find the magnificent Pisa Cathedral, an exquisite example of Romanesque architecture, and the baptistry, known for its remarkable acoustics and intricate carvings. Together, these structures create a breathtaking ensemble that showcases the artistic and architectural achievements of the medieval period. Beyond its historical landmarks, Pisa boasts a vibrant student life, thanks to its prestigious university, one of the oldest in the world. The youthful energy permeates the city, with lively cafes, bustling markets, and cultural events that celebrate local traditions. This blend of history, architecture, and contemporary culture makes Pisa a fascinating destination that enchants every visitor. Chianti, the heart of Tuscany's wine country. Welcome to Chianti, a region that embodies the scenic beauty and rich wine culture of Tuscany. As you traverse the rolling hills, you'll be greeted by a breathtaking landscape dotted with picturesque vineyards, olive groves, and charming villages. The vibrant green hillsides, especially during the golden hour, create a stunning backdrop that captures the essence of the Italian countryside, making it a photographer's paradise. Chianti is renowned for its exceptional wines, particularly the famous Chianti Classico. Wine tasting experiences here are truly unforgettable, with numerous local wineries offering tours that delve into the winemaking process. Visitors can stroll through the vineyards, learn about the unique Sangiovese grape, and savor the rich flavors of the wines produced in this region. Many wineries also provide guided tastings, allowing you to sample a variety of Chianti wines paired with local delicacies. Speaking of food, traditional Tuscan cuisine beautifully complements Chianti wines. Dishes like ribollita, a hearty vegetable soup, and pici cacio e pepe, a simple yet delicious pasta, are perfect pairings that enhance the tasting experience. Enjoying a meal in a rustic trattoria, surrounded by the stunning landscape, truly encapsulates the charm of Chianti, making it a must-visit destination for wine lovers and food enthusiasts alike. San Gimignano, the town of towers. San Gimignano is a captivating medieval town that enchants visitors with its unique architecture and rich history. The skyline is defined by its iconic towers, which were built by wealthy families during the 12th and 13th centuries as symbols of power and prestige. Originally, there were over 70 towers, but today, 14 remain, creating a stunning silhouette against the Tuscan landscape. As you wander through the narrow cobblestone streets, you can't help but marvel at these architectural wonders, each telling a story of the town's prosperous past. Recognized for its exceptional preservation of medieval architecture, San Gimignano was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1990. This status highlights the town's cultural significance and its role as a remarkable example of urban planning from the Middle Ages. The well-preserved buildings and charming piazzas transport you back in time, allowing you to experience the essence of medieval life. In addition to its architectural beauty, San Gimignano is also known for its local specialties, particularly saffron and Vernaccia wine. The region's saffron is highly prized for its quality, while Vernaccia di San Gimignano, a crisp white wine, has earned acclaim for its unique flavor profile. Sampling these local delights adds another layer to your exploration of this enchanting town, making your visit truly unforgettable. Val d'Orcia, a picturesque landscape. Welcome to Val d'Orcia, a region that epitomizes the breathtaking scenery of Tuscany. Known for its rolling hills and iconic cypress-lined roads, this picturesque landscape is a feast for the eyes. As you drive through the countryside, you'll be captivated by the undulating hills that seem to stretch endlessly, adorned with golden wheat fields, vibrant vineyards, and lush olive groves. The beauty of Val d'Orcia changes with the seasons, offering a stunning backdrop for every type of traveler. The region's enchanting scenery has not only inspired countless visitors but has also significantly influenced Renaissance art. Artists like Leonardo da Vinci and Raphael drew inspiration from the harmonious landscapes of Val d'Orcia, capturing its essence in their masterpieces. This artistic legacy adds a layer of cultural richness to the already stunning environment, making it a must-visit for art enthusiasts. For photography lovers, Val d'Orcia is a dream come true. The picturesque vistas provide endless opportunities to capture the beauty of the landscape, especially during the golden hour when the light casts a magical glow. Additionally, outdoor activities such as hiking and biking allow you to immerse yourself in the natural beauty while exploring charming villages like Pienza and Montalcino. Whether you're an artist, a photographer, or simply a nature lover, Val d'Orcia promises an unforgettable experience. As we wrap up our journey through the stunning region of Tuscany, let's take a moment to summarize the amazing spots we've explored together. From the artistic treasures of Florence, where the Renaissance came to life, to the medieval charm of Siena and the iconic Leaning Tower of Pisa, each location offers a unique glimpse into Tuscany's rich history and culture. We also ventured through the picturesque landscapes of Chianti and Val d'Orcia, where rolling hills and vineyards create a breathtaking backdrop for unforgettable experiences. These remarkable destinations are just waiting to be discovered, and we encourage you to explore them on your own. Whether you're indulging in local cuisine, savoring exquisite wines, or simply soaking in the beauty of the countryside, Tuscany promises to leave a lasting impression. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content about travel, culture, and culinary delights, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share this video with fellow travel enthusiasts who would love to uncover the wonders of Tuscany. Thank you for joining us on this adventure, and we hope to see you again as we continue to explore the world's most captivating destinations.